Good morning. It's a very wet morning here in Mumbai, and just getting the last minute preps for the trip. Here, getting my PUC done. That was one thing that was pending, and it's also a requirement for you to put the bike in the train. So doing that now, and then heading to Bandra station to get the bike packed and wrapped and all of that. So let's see how it goes. Almost. With some confusion as usual. This is how Akash has got the bubble wrap from Vashi. So we've come to Bandra terminus, and the X-Pulse is going in 300cc and the Himalayan is going in the Bullet class. So that is coming up to 6 and this is 6.5 and 1000. And we basically pack it up today, and it will get finalized tomorrow, and we'll go in the same train as we are. So my bike is almost around 112-15 odd kilometers on reserve, and there's still one whole fucking liter of petrol. The reserve sensor is absolutely insane on the Himalayan, and I think it's the same on the X-Pulse too. Mine is 1 liter, his is 2 liters. 2.5 for him. 2.5 now. So the bike, my Himalayan had only 1 liter of fuel. Just 1 liter of fuel. Akash's bike has come out with 3.5 liters of fuel. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, and there's half. There could possibly be more. So this is how the bikes are kind of looking. This is the Himalayan, still in process. That's the X-Pulse. So finally our bikes look like this. That is the X-Pulse. That's the Himalayan. And that's Sonu bhai. Bhai, आपका number बोल दो.
9987389784.
Okay. So if you're coming to Bandra, he's your guy. He's done pretty decent amount of work. So yeah. So we finally loaded the bikes. Hopefully there's not shit kept on our bikes, and we get them in the condition we've put them in. Chai sir. No, thank you. Or yeah, now we are here. That's all our luggage behind the bubble wrap too, and up there my helmet, some tank bag stuff. So yeah, we're quite loaded with luggage, especially because we're carrying our gear, and it's about 11:15 now. 11:30 the train should leave, and we get to Amritsar only at 8:50. We get to Amritsar at what? 8:30 tomorrow. We get to Amritsar at 8:30 tomorrow. And there's Akash again. Hello. So yes, let's see how it goes.
पहले कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. These are the bikes.
मेरी बाइक खोल नहीं रही, तू दिखा के रहा है बाइक।
पता तो चले कैसे आई थी। चलो चलो अच्छे से काम करो।
पता तो हमको है कैसे आई थी।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली।
कितनी मुश्किलों से आई थी। इसको गोनी को ना ऐसे ही रखा और उसके अंदर ही घास डाल दे।
यस सर। एनी मोर इंस्ट्रक्शंस?
अच्छे से काम करो बच्चों। ब्लडी है, लिटरिंग का पैसा लेंगे तुमसे।
तुमसे? वो बेचारा तो आदमी हेल्प कर रहा है।
हाँ मतलब कोई लेना देना भी नहीं है। हाँ बोलेगा तू। देख रहा है?
ऐसे ही उतार ले। हाँ
प्लास्टर खुलता है ना अपने हाथ में से, वैसा लग रहा है। हाँ डेफिनेटली पेंट नहीं हुआ है, नीचे हो गया।
नीचे हो गए।
वही तो नीचे हो गया है, वो सजने से हुआ है सामान से।
Okay, so we're finally here, and here are the bikes. I mean, my bike. Akash is fueled up, and he's gone to get some fuel. No real damage as such on the bike. We've got on the train, was packed pretty decently. Sonu did a good job, and yeah, we don't really have any damage on either of the bikes, so that's great.